Welcome to my bicycle shop. In this video, I'm showcasing some of the best Japanese woman bikes Mamachari style that are perfect for everyday city riding. These bikes are carefully selected from my own shop, offering a great combination of comfort, durability, and affordability. From stylish step through frame to practical front basket and smooth riding design, Japanese city bikes are built from daily life, whether you're commuting, shopping, or just enjoying a ride around town. I'll walk you through different model features and why these bikes are so popular in Japan. What you see this video. Top comfortable woman bikes available in my shop. Key features like basket, tent, cover, and comfortable seats. Why Japanese bikes are ideal for city use. Tips on choosing the right bike for your need. If you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly bicycle, this video will help you find the perfect ones. Please watch all pleaser. If you don't understand or you have any question, please write them down and I will reply you in suitable time. Please watch all together. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more bike review and shop update. Thank you for your watching until the end of my video. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bicycle review and my bicycle shop update. Thank you, goodbye, see you next time.